Create a toys and games e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next and then you proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load, and it's loading now. And after it's loaded, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing a name. So here it doesn't matter what name you give it, you can always change the name later. Then you click on continue. Then you have this question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you, and you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is in the toys and games category, so let's see if we can find something related to that. So here we have the tools and parts. Let's go with it. And if you can't find your category in here, just click on other, then you click on continue. And then if you already have a store in the real world, you type the address. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build your store. And it's building now. Then this is our dashboard, and here, as you can see in your right, you have the edit site button, and here you have the design now button. It does the same job as the edit site button. And in your left you have some sections, and I'm going to explain these sections first, then I'm going to proceed to the editing phase. So let's start with the website section, and it's where you can also proceed to the editing phase, or change your domains or add a new domains to your store. Then we have the items section, which basically means the products section. It's where you can set up your site's products or items, set categories for these products, options, coupons, gift cards, and so on. Then we have the orders section. It's where you can check all of your orders, see the cancelled one, the fulfilled one, shipped one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment. It's where you can set up your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports, and first thing we have is the summary. If you want to see the summary of all these items, and if you want to go through each one separately, you just click on it and you go through it. So here we have the site's traffic, site's activity, sources, online sales, and so on. Then we have the marketing section. It's basically where you can see all of the things that are related to growing your audience, from the email, automated ads, mailing lists, and so on. Then we have the communications, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then we have the settings. It's where you can see the general settings of your store. If you want to set your address or your company name, your phone number, your email, so just give it a few seconds to load. And here, if you want to type in your address, your email, phone number, company name, and so on. And then you have the checkout to set your payment processors like your Stripe account, PayPal account, or change the country and the currency of your store. Then you have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you already have. So let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button and give it a few seconds to load. And here we are, it will show up right now. And this is it. Just ignore this setup guide. If you want to go through it, go with it. If not, you just ignore it. It will disappear right now. So here we have the styles. So the first thing you do is you choose a style to your store. So choose the one that fits your niche or fits your requirements. But before that, wait for the store to load. And here it is. After it's loaded, you choose one of these styles. So I'm going with the first one, which is pretty basic. Then you click on hide styles and see if that style fits your store. Then you click on apply site styles. Then you proceed to the site's design. If you want to change the styles, do it right in here. If you want to add an image to be your logo, change the colors. Fonts, so it's change the fonts from enter to comforter. And here let's go down. Here it is, comforter. And if you want to play with these adjustments, you can do it right in here. When you're done, you click on done. Then you proceed to changing the shapes of the buttons and images. Let's change it to rounded. So rounded. Then you click on done. And if you want to go through these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid. And that's it for the site's design. We click on done. Then we close this one and we dismiss this one also, and this one. And here in the plus button, if you want to add a new section or page, item or category. And for the settings, if you want to see the page's settings or duplicate a page. And here if you want to choose one of the pages that you have, like as you see in here, add a new page or delete the ones that you already have. And here if you want to change anything about your store, right in here you have the header. If you want to change the header, you click on it. The main banner, if you want to hide it, and if you want to unhide that section. And here you have the featured items. If you want to delete this section, or if you want to move it down or move to another page or duplicate also. And if you want to change the replacement of it, let's click on done. And if you want to change the placement of it, you just click on these dots and then you place it the way where you want. And the same thing goes with the email newsletter section. You can do basically the same. And that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.